I had quite a serious accident where I injured my brain and my neck. I had a step in my neck and cracked my neck, and I damaged C3, 4, 5 and 6. That injury was 9 years ago, and it's affected my life ever since. I've been living with pain for that time, and living with migraine headaches, and just because of the migraine headaches, lack of energy, no lust for life. I went to the progressive workshop in Auckland, and I started doing the blessings of the energy centre meditations there, and I started getting more energy back and reduced pain and reduced migraines, and they didn't all go at that stage, but I was just doing blessings of the energy centre, which was really, really good. It opened everything up for me. I struggled with this area for a little while, but it started clearing up. So this week, after the meditation on the first day, the second meditation on the first day, and we did the breath work, my pain just, it actually got worse that day. I felt really ill, but then the next morning, all my pain was gone, all my pain was gone. Still had stiffness in my neck, but I didn't actually realise I was stiff in the neck. I just thought I was completely healed at that stage. I was blessed to get a healing, and in that healing, there was so much energy that came from that healing that it was quite emotional, and something I didn't expect. So expect the unexpected, right? And it wasn't until I did the walking meditation straight afterwards that I just calmed myself back down, and I felt this heat right through from here down to here. It felt like I had an electric blanket around me, and then I started to just move my neck, and I can do things with my head and my neck that I haven't been able to do for years. I feel 10 years younger. I couldn't sleep last night. I just had so much energy going through me, and today I've been on a real high with this feeling. I haven't felt like this for years, and I can drink wine again.